Okay guys, so I'm done filling it, and this is it. See, this is it guys. Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today's video, I'm making lemon facial soap, and I'm going to be using this lemon peel. As you can see, I'm creating it so I can get a peel and extract my juice out of it. Okay, so if it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. To my returnees, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support and love. Please do well to like, share with friends and family, and let me know your thoughts concerning this remedy in the comment section. So as you can see now, I'm done creating it, and I'm putting it in this container so I can add my hot water to it in order to extract the juice out of this peel. Okay, so I'm just washing the grated container, and yeah, as you can see here, I'm adding more water to wash it and put it in. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of, this is 1 cup of water. Actually, this is 1 cup of water, and I'm just going to let this sit so I can get the juice out of this lemon peel. Okay, so right now I'm going to cover it and leave it for some days. I'm actually going to leave it for 3 days so I can get it right. Okay, all right. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so this is 3 days now of an infused lemon peel. Okay, so this is the water here, and I'm going to sieve it so we get the juice out of it. Okay, all right, so I have a similar bowl here which I'm going to place my sieve in so I can sieve this well. Okay, hope you can see. So yeah, all right, so this is our lemon peel juice, and I'm going to put in my base soap. This is a base soap. So guys, I have about 2 teaspoons of base soap here, and I'm going to add salt. Okay, you can use sea salt. Okay, I'm using this just to thicken it. Okay, so yeah, all right. So I'll be pouring this small. So it has thickened. All right. You see, it has thickened again. So I'm going to add everything in there. So you see, it has really thickened. So guys, I'm still, you see, it's very thin. Don't worry about the foamy stuff on it, it will settle down. Okay, so right now it's very thick. It's very thick, and I love the consistency. So I'm going to add honey to this. Honey moisturize the skin deeply, act as a pore cleanser, gentle exfoliator, lightens scars, and also very useful for sunburn, fight acne and pimples, and also reverse aging. Okay, so I'm going to put this teaspoon in it. Okay, so I'm going to pour like this spoon. Okay, it's enough. If not, this was so my next ingredient I'm going to be using is glycerin. Hope you can see it here. It increases skin hydration, relieve dryness, and refresh the skin surface. Okay, so I'm going to I just measured one of this spoon. Okay, I think this is half teaspoon. My next ingredient is tea tree oil, which contains anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that helps to reduce acne, scars, leaves you with a smooth and clearer skin. Okay, so as we are doing facial soap, there's no way we can skip this wonderful fragrance. Okay, so I just put in like just 2 drops of it. Okay, just a 2 drop of tea tree oil. Okay, so I'll be using this to wash my face. My facial wash is finished. That's why I'm making this soap, this facial soap to use. Okay, I'm going to add this organic perfume. Okay, this is a mixture of sweet and far away perfume. This is organic perfume, right? So I'm just going to add a little bit just to make the soap smell good when applied on the skin. So guys, my next ingredient is vitamin E. So my next ingredient is color. So I'm just giving it a little bit of color. This is food color, and it's not harmful to the skin. Okay, so I'm just putting a little bit, just a little bit. You can see there. Right now my soap is ever ready to be used, and I'm going to pour it here. All right, so I have my little funnel here, which is going to do the magic for me. So okay guys, so I'm done filling it, and this is it. See, this is it guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do well to like, share with friends and family. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.